ZETA stock analysis and price predictions for Monday. Is it a buy or not? This is for 11th of August and onwards. I'm the only guy in the space with a 45,000 video track record and 5 years of experience of all documented. The one thing that I hoped I saw was a shift and a confirmation so I can take it further up. And then I'm still waiting for it, you know. For me, just filling in some gaps. And I care nothing about that. The one thing that I care about the most is if I see a shift. And only if I see a shift, I'm going to look to take things further higher, right? Me randomly buying, it's not just going to be happening. And even here with Zeta, I do have 7 receipts. So obviously not financial advice. We'll continue to keep you updated. I even put this with the waiting caps there. And if you want to stay tuned and get free sauce, click the first link in the description. And I'll continue to keep you updated. Goodbye and enjoy. Cheers.